Hi guys, it's Mrs. Eckadal, and I'm going to do a little drawing and painting on paper. So if you guys want to do it with me, that would be awesome. And then I could, maybe your parents could show me your finished pieces. So I'm using mixed media paper, but you don't have to. You can use whatever paper's around, but a little bit of heavier paper is better for paint, obviously. And then I'm taping my edges because you all know how I love that. It gives a really beautiful border, right? So I'm just taping right on my table here. But you guys might, you might have to cut it on something else. Okay. So, and also I'm working my paper in landscape, but you know, do what's comfortable for you. Okay, and then I have a pencil. I thought I would draw an elephant profile with some, I don't know, like leaves and flowers and things, and I'll just kind of go over how I draw, and I think most of you know this. I'm going to start light and loose, and everything's a shape, right? For me, I kind of like to break it down like that. Let's see. It's nice and loose and light. No erasers. I'm going to kind of edit my shape here, but just some contour lines. Major. And kind of draw over those little shapes that I've made. Make some edits to these. Some wild ears. We're going to do a lot of like botanical stuff. Let's see. Let's kind of turn this into like a nature elephant. Keep it loose and draw kind of big because, you know, you can draw whatever kinds of things you want over here. Let's see. Tusk. Got lots of lines going, but that's okay. Okay, so kind of a rough outline. Let's do these into some fun flowers. So we have an idea Lots of just light and loose contour lines, right? Just doing this for ideas of what we're going to paint and where. Okay, so kind of a quick drawing.
Driver's license numbers and all that info, date of birth for you and Sergio, whoever else it goes over.
Okay.
No, they do carry away somewhere in the archives.
Okay, so lots of fun in there. Now, I'm going to grab some water on my paintbrush, and I want to start with my background. Oh, look, at my water is not very clean, nor is my brush, but that's okay. We don't mind. I'm just kind of giving a little bit of water onto some background. And I'd like to get a little bit of acrylic paint. You can see I dipping in on the side. Oh, I love that. You know, I'm painting very lightly. And I didn't get any water into my actual drawing. Just getting it into my background here and just let it kind of flow. I love this. So lots of loose, see that? Love this. Sorry about all the noise, guys. Lots going on in my house. So yeah, check this out. Just some water, keeping it really loose. Using just the tip of my brush. Let's get a little bit more pigment in here and drop it in. Here's a little bit of darker blue. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh, I love that. Yeah, so let's fill in our background. Now my water is nice and blue, actually, which I love. You can even leave some white spots. I think what we'd like to do, I'm going to use my paintbrush sideways to get a clean line. See that? Get a little bit of darkness up in here. Drop that in. Use whatever paints you have and just water it down so it becomes really washy. Don't forget to paint over your tape edges because that makes that beautiful border. Let's throw in some yellow. So it's getting a little soppy in here. There's like a puddle. If you have a rag or if you use paper towels, it's a good thing to kind of mop it up. Let's just get this whole background in. Leaving some, white spaces here and there. Let's do more of this dark. Let's use more. Oh, I love that. And don't overpaint. Let the water move it. And just kind of letting the water move it around. More paint. Let's go a little deeper. Again, see these beautiful puddles? I don't want to paint over them. I really just want to extend them. So I'm going to give it more water to move back and forth. One a little darker. These are called blooms. This part should really still be loose. And a little outline. Okay. Let's let that part dry, and I'll make another little video and we'll do the inside part.